With the BORA XBO, you can choose from a number of different functions in the menu. One of them is manual cooking. Today I will show you what manual cooking is all about and for whom and when it is particularly recommended. Manual cooking is suitable for users and cooking enthusiasts who want to adjust the temperature and level of humidity individually and to the degree. There are two different views. The scroll, where you can choose the humidity here and the temperature there. And if you would like to have a recommendation, then go to the chef's hat here, where you will find various dishes to choose from and, for example, baked biscuits. You will find here the recommended setting for baking biscuits or the slider. Me personally, I really do love the slider. So let me show you a bit. If you take this area here, this means drying, like dried fruit, for example. Then in this area, this is where you take high humidity, lower temperatures for steaming fish or cooking low and slow. This area here is baking with humidity, higher temperature, which you would use for casseroles or roasts. If you reduce the humidity, this would be perfect for bread or baked goods in general. If you go into this area here, this is low in humidity and very high in temperature, which would be great for grilling vegetables. For the crisp bread, you need a lower temperature, but still minus humidity. We will choose -80. This makes a perfectly snappy and crisp bread. Do you hear that? The perfect snap. This is what you can achieve in the BORA XBO with minus humidity. Manual cooking is a playground. Go, explore and be creative.